Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are searching for best nitric oxide supplement, then this video is for you. Nitric oxide is a compound in the body that causes blood vessels to widen and stimulate the release of certain hormones such as insulin and human growth hormones. Nitric oxide is very useful and has amazing benefits for our health. So let's start a video, and here is the list of top 5 best nitric oxide supplements in India. All the supplements are available online. Please check description for current price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.